A forest in Poland, 1940. Thousands of officers gathered, unarmed, uncertain, and about to vanish from the living memory of their nation. This is the story the world wasn't meant to know. The Soviet secret police, the NKVD, lined up Polish prisoners, military officers, intellectuals, doctors, priests. Over 22,000 men, the backbone of Poland, were executed with a bullet to the head, one by one. Each death, methodical, silent. No witnesses left. Why did this happen? The Soviet Union and Nazi Germany had carved up Poland in 1939. Rivals, but for a time, partners in the dissection of Eastern Europe. Stalin called these prisoners enemies of the Soviet state, but in truth, they were the patriotic heart of Poland. Each man at Katyn was stripped of hope and identity, their bodies buried in mass graves as if history itself would swallow them. But secrets cannot stay buried forever. In 1943, as Nazi Germany invaded the Soviet Union, German troops uncovered the shallow graves in Katyn Forest. Skulls with bullet holes became silent witnesses. The Germans blamed the Soviets. The Soviets blamed the Germans. For decades, the truth was twisted by propaganda. Soviet leaders insisted Germany was responsible, crafting a web of lies that lasted almost 50 years. Polish families waited, hoping for answers, forced into silence or exile. Haunted by dreams and nightmares of fathers, sons, and brothers who disappeared with no graves to mourn. In 1990, with the Soviet Union starting to crumble, Gorbachev revealed the truth at last. Archival documents proved it. The killings were ordered by Beria, Stalin's chief of police, with Stalin's direct approval. Katyn was not just a massacre. It was an attempt to erase an entire nation's identity, to decapitate Poland so it could never rise again. But even mass graves cannot bury memory forever. One survivor, Jozef Czapski, spared almost by accident, spent his life warning the world about the truth. His testimony echoed through history, refusing to let the victims be forgotten. After the Cold War, the forest of Katyn became a place of pilgrimage. Families could finally speak the names of their loved ones with pride and horror. The massacre became a symbol of loss, yes, but also of the resilience of Polish identity. Listen to the names etched on simple crosses. Remember the silence that fell in the forest for decades, broken, at last, by truth. Even today, the legacy of Katyn fuels debate and remembrance. The question lingers: how many other secrets does history still hide in silent forests and shadowed archives? Katyn warns us that truth suppressed will always find a way to the surface, and that remembering isn't just about the past. It's a duty to the future. Want more untold stories from World War II's hidden corners? There are history's mysteries still waiting, just beyond the trees.